everyone, my name is Adeline and I am a car seat technician here at Parents Resource Center. This week is our child passenger safety seat, and I would like to share some tips and some general information about car seats. So prior to purchasing your car seat, there are 5 elements that you need to consider. The first element is selection. So as far as selection, you need to make sure that the car seat is the right fit for your child as far as age, height and weight, and also it's a right fit for your car, and it's a right fit for your budget. So you don't want to really go and purchase an expensive car seat while there is a less expensive car seat which does the same work. So also you need to make sure that the car seat is appropriate for your child as far as age, weight and height, and you don't want to buy any used car seats. Make sure to not get any car seats from garage sales or flea markets or second-hand stores, and make sure that your car seat has all the labels and all the requirements on the car seat, and also make sure that the car seat is not recalled. And prior to installing your car seat, you need to make sure to register your car seat and send the registration tag to the manufacturer in order to, if there is any kind of like recalls or anything, then manufacturer will notify you through the mail. So the second element that you need to consider is direction of your car seat. So for your car seat, you need to make sure that the car seat is in rear facing position as much as possible until your child turn 2-year-old. And also you need to make sure that whenever they graduate from rear facing, you change the car seat to forward facing, and this is something very important to consider. The third element is location of the car seat. So we want to make sure that that kids ride in the back seat as much as possible until they turn 13-year-old. So they cannot, a toddler or an infant cannot really ride in the front seat because of the safety and to prevent any injury or any crash accident. So the fourth element is installation. So prior to installation, installing your car seat, you need to make sure to read your car seat's manual and your car manual to make sure that they are meeting all the requirements. And also after you place your car seat, you need to do the inch test. So with inch test, you basically grab the base of the car seat and you move it front to back and side to side, and if your car seat moves more than 1 inch front to back or side to side, then this is too loose and you need to correctly install it. And then after that, again, as I mentioned before, you need to send the registration tag in order of any recalls. So the fifth element is harnessing. So after your car seat is already placed in the car, and after putting your baby into the car seat, you need to make sure that the harnesses are right for this for age of your baby. So if the car seat is rear facing, you need to make sure that the harness slots coming from at or below the shoulder, and you need to make sure that the webbing is tight enough for your baby. And if the baby is sitting forward facing, the slots should be at or above the shoulder. And you can do the pinch test. So by pinch test, you grab around the shoulder of this webbing, and if your fingers are sliding off the webbing, then the harness is too loose. So you want to make sure that your fingers doesn't get any of your webbing. So now I'm going to talk about 3 different types of car seats. This is a rear-facing car seat, infant carry-on only car seat, and you can only use this as a rear-facing car seat. This is our convertible car seat, and this can be used as rear-facing and forward-facing depending to the age of the child. If the child is already graduating from the rear-facing position and already the child is 2 years old, they can sit in forward-facing car seat, and after they graduate from forward-facing car seat, they can transfer to booster seat. And with the booster seat, you basically use the seat belt of your car, and you want to make sure that the shoulder belt is across the chest and the lap belt is across the hip. And after they turn to 4 feet and 9 inch height, they can transfer to the seat of they can sit in the back of the seat of your car until they turn 13-year-old.
and you need to basically, there are five steps to follow.